Okay, welcome. Today we're going to talk about polynomial regression, and again using the extensions of our linear model to look at other situations. Today we're just going to, or this video that is, we're going to look at Excel. I want to tell you something a little bit about myself. First part was I went to the University of Minnesota here in Minneapolis, St. Paul, and there's this lake out by Alexandria, Minnesota. I've been there, not to the lake necessarily, but to Alexandria. There's a McDonald's there. And there's this Lake Mary here, and that's where we're talking about for today's session. So in Excel, what we have here is in 1981, 78 bluegills were randomly sampled from Lake Mary, Minnesota, and they measured and recorded the following data. This is their age, and this is their length. If you kind of look at the data, it kind of looks linear, but it kind of looks curved linear as well. So what we're going to do is we're going to fit a quadratic expression the long way for this one. So first of all, what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy all of this age into column C. And then what I'm going to do is, because age is my predictor variable, I'm going to have age squared here. So I'm going to take put the equal sign there, C, and then C2 and square it, and then go ahead and square all the various values all the way down in my system. So you can see like 4 squared is 16 and 5 squared is 25. And then once I have that data, I can go ahead and use regression in Excel. So I go to data, and then to data analysis. I want to pick out regression, and then hit OK. And then my Y range, remember, is the length, because I want to predict the length as a function of age. And then for age, I'm going to take both of these columns. And the reason why I copied over age to the right-hand side of length is because Excel, it's kind of difficult to copy columns which are not contiguous. I'm also going to take labels and then put I guess I'll put it in a new worksheet as for the output. And if I go ahead and do that, I get then my coefficient is 13.62, the age is 54.05, and the age squared is negative 4.71. And so this could be my model that I might use to model this situation.